every morning as we got ready to start work early. I knew I would miss the easy camaraderie of chatting out late over some weed on the matters which were silly or a philosophical query. I knew I would miss the silence of the inconsequential and momentous. So yes, I would miss the everydayness, my friend.
Do you consider this book to be autobiographical?
Well, isn't everything autobiographical? I mean, like in my life, okay, like in everybody's life, we look at life through our own tiny keyhole, okay, from our own point of view. So in my life, like I really haven't had a lot of big things, like no car chases, no helicopter crashes, not big things happen, but from my point of view, okay, my life, it's I feel it's been like a movie, okay, it's there's just been so much drama, okay. So what I really tried to do was, I tried to capture, okay, this moment from my life, okay, where I felt that, I really connected with someone. I'm sure it happens, with all of us. Like in life, like I'm sure it's happened with you. Like you meet someone and you just connect. Okay? It's magic. Okay? So something like that. And this is something that I really wanted to talk about for a long time. And I don't know, finally. Yeah, it's there. I hope that kind of answers the question.
I'll try to be more specific here.
Mm-hmm.
The meeting you mentioned, was there ever a woman you met on the trek, but then you lost her and then you left to US for your career?
Well, it's not really important.
So that's a yes?
Okay. Okay, so this is my like last stop before I head back for the US. So yeah, yes.
Well, our author has one last question to take. So, anybody?
And do you think they meet again in real life?
Did they meet again? If I answer that, I think that would kill the magic. Yeah, I think that's something I would leave for your imagination. And did I meet again? Well, like so this. So this person is, yeah, yeah, like maybe, I don't know. Let's keep it ambiguous, yeah. I think it's best that way.
Our author has to leave for the airport soon. So, thank you all for coming today, this lovely afternoon. And special thanks to Mr. Adi for being with us.
Thank
We
you.
hope to see you here again for your next.
Yeah, thank you so much
Yes.
for having me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please have some refreshments at the end of the corner. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot.
The plan is happening. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay. I'll just call you in a minute.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm great. Coffee खेते हैं अभी?
Coffee?
Like you're kind of busy.
No, no, I'm not. I'm just saying, didn't you say you have a plane to catch?
I have some time. Yep.
Okay.
So
Yeah, sure.
yeah, I'll just wrap.
Yeah. I'll just meet you in the mall. Just ask somebody where the mall is.
It's that side.
It's that side. Just ask somebody, you'll know.
Okay, so I'll just go.
Okay.
Okay.
See you.
See you.
Yeah. Hi.
I can't believe you're here.
I live here actually.
You live here?
Yeah.
In Darjeeling?
Yes.
Oh my, that's amazing.
So
Yeah?
don't you like have to talk to the journalists?
No, আমি অনেকক্ষণ ধরে ভাগ
Sure?
করছি. Yeah, they're tired of me. So,
It's good to see you.
it's good to see you. কেমন আছো?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm okay. That was very surreal. Yeah.
Yeah. So, do you want to go get some coffee?
I would love to. Yeah.
Actually, ওখানে একটা আছে একটু দূরে. I really like that place. You want to
Yeah?
go?
Let's go.
Yeah.
But I didn't know that I would miss turning my body into yours for a casual hug or a market nudge of the tease.
You can see the clouds. তুমি দেখো?
I'm used to this by now.
My God.
Doesn't fascinate me as much as it fascinates
Yeah, it
you.
doesn't?
Yeah, no.
I don't know. It's very different for me. Like,
আমি রোজ দেখি.
okay. So it doesn't appeal anymore.
No, it's gone. You know, the charm has gone. Now it's just every day.
It's the age.
It's the age.
You're getting old.
You're the one talking about getting old.
You want to keep walking?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Yeah. Unless you're done.
No, I'm not done. I'm just getting started. Yeah, let's go that side.
So I read this article about your book and it sounded weirdly familiar.
Not familiar, come on.
What are you saying?
একটু familiar হতে পারে.
একটু?
Vaguely. Okay, fine. হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে. অনেকটাই familiar. Yeah.
And it also said you're the budding Indo-American novelist with a changed profile name.
Don't believe anything you read in the newspapers, okay? Just don't. যা ইচ্ছে লেখে ওরা বাড়ি ইন্টারভিউতে. আচ্ছা, did you get a chance to read the book?
Yes, of course.
And you hated it, no? Oh my God, I tried. Arey yaar, you didn't like it,
I'm
no?
just messing around. I loved it.
You loved it?
Loved it. Romance is not my genre, but
Yeah?
ভীষণ ভালো লিখেছো. It's very well written. Congrats, man.
Thank you. It means a lot. Means a lot.
Listen, I have to ask you something to get something out of my chest.
হ্যাঁ বলো.
তুমি কি সেদিনকে কফি হাউসে এসেছিলে?
তুমি এসেছিলে?
But did you? এটা আমার জন্য খুব জরুরি. প্লিজ জাস্ট
কেন? তুমি যখন আসোনি, why is it important for you to know আমি এসেছিলাম কিনা?
প্লিজ I have to know this. I mean, আমি আসিনি and if you came, I would feel horrible.
No.
Across the country, but I do